Sawubona molo dumela absheni uHanted. Welcome to AMBITIOUZ TV. Igama lami Mzwandile Phungula kwasibiye. Ngibuyeleke nezinye isamatheni eMzansi. I'm sure you wanna know what's going on. Let's get to it.
You dig? Look, feel like I've been here 1,000 times. Niggas wouldn't see me coming if they had a magnifying glass. Take them all to class. The lesson of the day is, do not fuck with Yack. Put my city on the map. Now these niggas know their place. Nothing was ever given, so I did whatever it takes. Talent is flawless. Nothing here pretty, but the pen game gorgeous. Flow put a slow nigga in the shell like a tortoise. I do it so well. My phone keep ringing cause my name ringing bells. Slept in the RDPs, woke up in a hotel. I'm a magician. Wonder why your favorite rapper might just go missing. My palms itching, I'm all ready. My Glock clicking, pissing on the grave cause I ain't had a pot to piss in. Got the things that makes the pots when I'm in the kitchen. Yack Manny in the fucking building, you dig?
Hey, listen, you rap, Yack, I'm tipping my hat, king. You shaky though, get a grip cause you nervous on that screen. You went and you got involved without knowing what that means. Deplorably misinformed, suggested by how you speak. You pissing me off, kid, you know who the boss is. I know this your moment, you taking it all in, but here's a lesson. You lucky I won't even charge shit. My attention, expensive as Christian Dior kicks. You said we should brawl, didn't impress me at all. 52 seconds of vast breath, you literally talk shit. Bothersome when I spit, you a water gun to this clip. I can only get better though, awesome enough as is. Look, I heard they albums, I'm confident as a bitch. I'm trying to get Manny laid cause he bargaining with a pimp. Enough with the nonsense, you know who your pops is. Get back in your lane, Yack, this not your department. I seen you in the vid. Hulu Manny's a strong hit, but careful for I teleport your bitch to this long dick. Let you breathe, now you thinking you Clark Kent. Bitch, I'm the shit, but I'm smelling like Cartier. You're not a challenge, in case you was unclear. You're not a walk in the park, you a seat in the park bench. I'm only kidding, but like you said, you got a pot to piss in. Now don't go with the bed.